Welcome back to another video of this channel. My name is Anil Patel and we are going to install MongoDB in Windows operating system. So let's get started. So just type in Google MongoDB and just click on mongodb.com. Okay, so like MongoDB Cloud, MongoDB Atlas. So in upcoming videos we will see how to work on MongoDB Atlas and some other products. So you can see we have specifically for database we have community server, enterprise server, developer tool, MongoDB Compass, ops manager and connectors. So let's click on enterprise server, and here just click on premise, because we can install MongoDB in cloud platforms also, like Amazon, AWS, Google Cloud. Okay, so just click on premise. I will share all these links in description as well. Now here you can see the latest version of MongoDB is 4.4.1, and if you want download previous release also, so it's better to download 3.6 or 4.0. So let's download 4.4.1. Then here we have multiple platforms like Mac OS, Red Hat, CentOS, uh, and Windows OS. So let's click on Windows OS, then click on download. So as soon as we will click on download, you will get pop-up to enter all the information. So you can enter informations and then you will able to download. So I have already downloaded MongoDB. It's only 297 something MB. Yeah, 297 MB. And then double click on the setup. Now Windows installer is appearing. Okay, so this is the welcome window of MongoDB installer. Click on next, accept terms and condition for the license agreement, then click on next. And here we have two options like complete and custom. So just click on complete, and here we have install MongoDB as service, run service as network server. So just select first one, and this is the location. So in this location MongoDB will be installed, and data and logs will be available there, because MongoDB is a document database. So just give this information, or local or domain. Okay, so we will select on run service as network service user, and here SID or service name is MongoDB, and these all are the locations for data directory and log directory. Then simply click on next, and click on install. So it will take a while to complete the installation. Then one pop-up appears in Windows. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yeah, click on yes. Then again files in use. Okay, close the applications and attempt to restart. Okay, we can do this, and do not close applications or reboot. Okay, so whatever options you want. I have selected second option because I don't want restart my system. So friends, just install MongoDB, and I will show like how to set up, how to open, and how to start practice in MongoDB. So keep watching this channel. You will get lots of useful videos. And when we are working in IT companies, then we have to learn and we have to work in multiple databases, and the purpose of all databases are the same. And once you learn any single database, then you can work in all databases. That is not a big deal at all. And again, there are Google. So whenever we are working on some new tool or new technology, so we are using Google, because no one remember all the functions, all the commands, all the queries. So simply when we are working, so if we are stuck, if we are doing some new things, so simply we are searching Google, like okay, how to do that, how to do this, and we are getting answers from the Google, and we are using that in work at all. So working in IT companies are really very simple. And there are so many of my friends in US, some of working as a chef in a five-star hotel, someone is like working as a nurse in hospital, someone is working as a truck driver. So friends, all, you know, anyone can work in IT company. That is not difficult at all. And one thing, one myth uh, is the education. Like okay, like whatever we are studying in engineering or BTech or MTech, there is a lots of gap in education and industry. So friends, nothing is impossible. If you want to learn, if you want to work in IT, you can easily work in IT. There are lots of folks, like they have done simple education like Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, pharmacy. So anyone can work in IT industry. So whatever softwares we are using in IT industry, really, uh, in educational curriculum you will not get those softwares. In India, in engineering colleges, what teachers teach, like C++ programming, add two numbers, multiply two numbers, create Fibonacci series, or Java programs. So so when I completed my engineering, after that when I joined IT industry, so my education, I have done BTech in computer science, and I have done MTech also. I have done MTech from India's best university, BITS Pilani. So I have done MTech from BITS Pilani. So it was really good. BITS Pilani is really very good. Uh, so, and one very important thing is the communication. If your communication is excellent, you can easily work in IT industry. So there are so many people in IT industry, they really even don't work, but their communication is excellent. They are writing such a hi-fi email, and they are surviving. But if you have good technical knowledge as well as good communication, then you will you will become successful in your life in industry as well. So MongoDB Compass is being installed. So we can call it Compass or Compass also. So I'm in India, so here pronunciation is totally different. Okay, just comment in this video whether I'm right or wrong. So now click on finish, and if we want to restart, we can restart it. So now it's initializing. So friend, this is a MongoDB Compass. This is uh, Explorer. Like this is like how in Oracle database we used Oracle SQL Developer. So same here we have. So we can use this Compass, but we will I will show like how to use MongoDB. Okay, so finally Oracle, so finally MongoDB has been installed successfully, and in upcoming videos I'm going to show like how to start MongoDB, how to run basic commands, how to connect with dweaver or dvisualizer, and how to create tables, insert records, okay, how to update. We'll work on each and every command. So thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.